Today, we will discuss AWS Glue, Databricks, Airflow, and Spark. You're correct. Despite their different functions, AWS Glue, Databricks, Airflow, and Spark are all connected by basic similarities in the larger context of data processing. Now let's examine the main features of these four platforms. AWS Glue is an AWS serverless data integration solution made specifically for ETL or extract, transform, and load tasks. Under the hood, Apache Spark is used, focuses on simplifying the AWS ecosystem's data integration. Databricks, an Apache Spark-based platform for data analytics, offers a cooperative setting for machine learning, data science, and data engineering, provides a single platform that streamlines AI and large data processing processes. It works with a variety of cloud platforms. Airflow is an orchestration tool for workflows. Complex data pipelines are scheduled and monitored with its help. It oversees the execution of activities which may involve database queries, Spark jobs, and other procedures rather than processing data directly. Spark, the underlying distributed processing engine, is this one. It is the workhorse that manages processing massive amounts of data. It is the potent open source engine for processing massive amounts of data. All in all, they all help to increase efficiency, decrease manual involvement, and automate data processing. This is Airflow's specialty, and automated data processing is made possible by Glue, Databricks, and Spark.